Good morning, everyone. For today, I'm cooking the vegetable. Simple vegetable. Magluluto ako ng guys, gabi. Ayan. Magluluto ako ng gabi, guys. Kasi ito talaga yung favorite ko. Gabi. So, expensive you buying here in the Philippines right now. So, I'm buying two tomatoes. This one, guys. 2 tomatoes. Ayan. So, I'm cooking the vegetable. So, this one vegetable, guys, I'm bring my uncle and going in the province. This one, oh, what you in? I don't know. Your English is oregano, like that. So, this one. I'm cooking here now. Ayan. I need you remove your leaves. And remove the leaves. Shout out, guys. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for the support my YouTube channels, guys. For today, guys, I'm stop my breastfeeding because my husband said you stop your breastfeeding because YouTube until now I'm not a monetization. So even I'm posting the YouTube, then my monetization is not work. So then my daughters, guys, Sabrina, stopping for the breastfeeding right now because so young. Malaki na po kasi siya. Malaki na si Sabrina kaya ayaw na niya ayaw na niya dumili. Kaya please can you support me my channels, guys. Kahit hindi na breastfeeding yung ipopost ko, please can you support me. Thank you, everyone. Please support me my channel. Still don't touch not aging here. Please can you support me. No, itching that. My YouTube. Thank you very much, guys. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting me. I love you, everyone. Magluluto ako ng I'm cooking the vegetables, guys, because my favorite it's vegetable. Later. Yan. Ang hirap kasi, guys, nagpo-post, I'm posting the I'm posting the YouTube video guys, then is not until now is not monetization. I'm with the November. I'm with November again the posting the post. I'm wait in November for the back my monetization guys. So I don't know. I wish you back the YouTube my monetization because until now still I'm waiting. Before I'm apply 3 months, I'm suspended, then I'm apply again, then another is not even approved, another the waiting again in the 3 months. So I'm wait in the another November 7. Ayan, sana guys mabalik na yung monetization ko kasi malaking bagay sana dito sa YouTube kasi lahat ng nakakatulong siya ng mga ko pangangailangan. Gaya ngayon nag-aaral yung anak ko sa private, kulang sa budget, kailangan may family din ako, kailangan ko ng maraming kailangan ko ng may pera, extra pera sana kasi yung anak ko nag-aaral sa college. So sana mabalik na ni YouTube yung ko monetization para makatulong lang naman sa mga ko pangangailangan. Ayan, palong English dito guys. So I wish is coming next month I'm back my monetization because I need help for my daughter because my daughter is schooling the college. I need the support. Because my husband money is not enough. Then next year my husband I'm go to the US for the medicine for your body. So for me, I wish my YouTube you help me back my monetization, then because I need help my daughter for schooling. And thank you for the people you support me, to all subscribers guys. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much for support my YouTube channel. Because now until now my subscribers is 100,000, 10,000. So thank you very much guys, and I love you everyone. Thank you because kasi ang hirap pag nag-YouTube ka guys, nag-media ka, ang hirap umatak ng mag-subscribe sa'yo. Because now a lot my social media I'm using TikTok, I'm using Facebook Reels, and YouTube too. Kailangan mo talaga humatak ng subscriber. Pag sa Facebook naman, ganun din, kailangan mo humatak ng tao na magpapalo sa'yo, ganun. Kaya tiis lang talaga that one. So I'm thankful for my people who support me. Thank you very much guys. I wish I'm back my monetization coming soon. And right now guys, I need apologize for you to all my subscribers in the YouTube. I'm stop my breastfeeding because she said my husband, you need to stop my breastfeeding because later after I'm remove my YouTube, my channel, so it's better I'm stopping my breastfeeding. Then my daughter now is stop your breastfeeding because I have one channel guys, is the same breastfeeding. You remove my YouTube, you remove my channel. So I need a protection this one, my channels. I wish you stay here, my channel, you working. Yan.
Ma!
Oh, wow.
My dad just buy it.
Or say, okay, baby. Okay. Yan. Salamat, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for support me. I love you, guys. See you soon. Please, can you help me watching my video? Thank you, everyone. I love you, guys.